Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today I will be analyzing Realty income stock. This is probably one of my favorite stocks because you can basically make a dividend every single month from the stock. It's very easy to do. You simply just buy and hold shares of Realty income and you'll be paid every single month for owning those shares. So this stock pays 23 cents per share. Dividends are pretty interesting because it's kind of like a consistent way to wealth, but you have to kind of let it be on its own and you don't have to be too focused on it. It's more of something that you build over time. So you just have to stay consistent with it. This is why I like M1 Finance. I'm still working on it, but you can allow automatic reinvestments into M1 Finance. So once you receive dividends, it'll put those dividends back into work for the stock, meaning you'll make even more dividends just by reinvesting the dividends that you earn. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you an example of, for example, so if you have $71,000 that you invest in Realty income, you'll be able to produce $230 per month. And then if you spend $355,000 worth of Realty income stock, you'll be able to make $1,150 per month, which is equivalent to $13,800 in a year. If you put in $710,000, you'll be able to make $2,300 per month. If you put in $1,065,000, you'll be able to make $3,450 per month. So as you see, the more money you have at your disposal, the more dividends you can make every single month. And this is why the wealthy stay rich, because it's very easy for them to make money. Money pretty much gives you the opportunity to make even more money. The more money you have, the more opportunities you have with businesses at your disposal, and dividends as well. The more money you have in dividends, the more money you make. And if you reinvest those dividends, you can make a whole lot more as well. So on the right side of here, I have a plan where you basically invest about $30,000 to start out with. With those $30,000, you'll be able to produce $97 in monthly pay, and you'll be adding $2,000 every single month from your work income. So if you continue doing this, you'll see that with the dividends reinvested from the original $30,000 that you invested plus the $2,000 every single month, eventually you start adding shares to the original number of shares that you own, and your monthly pay increases over time. So it goes from 97 to 103 per month to 110 to 117 to 123, and all these increments that you see are per month. So you're literally increasing by tens, by 8, by 13. The more time passes, the larger the increments become. So as you see, if you keep this consistent, keep it going like this, keep on adding money to it, you'll eventually have, I went as far as, 4 years, and I went from $100 per month from the stock to $434. So $400, $300 more in 4 years. So meaning if you ever stop reinvesting your dividends into this and putting in more money, you'll basically have $500 per month in lifetime income. So this kind of shows you why the wealthy stay rich. The main factor that comes into play is having the income, and so that you have enough money to save and be able to put into monthly dividend paying stocks, as well as pursuing different businesses and things that basically make you money, so that you can invest in stocks like this, like Realty income, that will pay you dividends consistently all the time, so that you can continue growing your net worth and having enough money to buy things that you like without sacrificing your work income that wastes your time. So I'm also going to show you my portfolio, just to kind of sum up the week. The stock market has been reaching new highs recently. It's kind of shocking how high it's been. We were expecting a recession pretty soon, but it looks like the stocks are making higher highs each time. But definitely a recession is due pretty soon. It's just a matter of time now. Overall, the confidence is pretty high in the overall economy. This is why we continue making higher highs. Illumina, that's a stock that recently went down a lot. I looked at it and I'm considering doing a swing trade because I saw that it lost 17% of its value. But I'm just kind of looking at it. Doesn't mean anything. I kind of do this all the time. Whenever I see a stock drop significantly, I consider a swing trade investment, because good stocks that lose money like this in one day, they easily make that money back easily. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you my portfolio. It's pretty impressive, my results. It's just because I'm being consistent. I've done at this point I've done about more than 10 swing trades where I've been able to consistently make profit from taking advantage of a stock that has been significantly undervalued and watching it grow as I invest more money into it. I use a very careful strategy where I only buy one share at a time slowly, and this has helped me a lot. So you see my growing portfolio. I'm at like a all high time right now with my all. It's at 34% return. This is insane. Um, yeah, so more than $1,000 that I've made in my investments, and this is all without working. Not a lot of people can tell you they've made more than $1,000 without working. This is all just passively. So 5,200. I started my portfolio with 5,200, and I got it all the way to 7,000. And there you see my overall gains in each of these stocks. All of them are positive. This is something I'm proud of. It's hard for investors to be positive in every single one of their investments, so this says a lot. My Tesla swing trade that I'm doing right now, it's up more than $300 now. I'm hoping I can profit around $400 to $500, and I'm excited for their earnings. Should be on July 24. I don't know if it's after hours or pre-market hours, but it should be going up a lot that day. And if it doesn't, I'm completely fine with that. It's actually probably even better because I'll be able to buy even more shares at a cheaper price for a great company like Tesla that has a huge future potential. So this is why you should always take advantage of the market when it's down, because when it's high, this isn't good news for you because your buys aren't that great of a value. It's like buying a cell phone when the price is really expensive. You much rather buy it on a sell price when it's discounted. That way later on you can resell it for the higher price. This is kind of the same thing with stocks. So yeah, there you all go. Let me know what you all thought of my portfolio. What do you think about all Realty income? It's 23 cents per share that you own that you get back in monthly dividend payments. It's not a lot, but if you funnel money from every paycheck that you get into this stock, even if you own 50 shares, 100 shares, all this money gets compounded every single month, and the compound interest that you gain through using the same money that you make to reinvest back into that stock, it's insane, especially with monthly dividend paying companies. Usually companies pay you the dividends every 3 months, but if you're able to compound consistently every single month, it basically skyrockets at some point. So yeah, very interesting. Yeah, so let me know what y'all thought of this video. Comment down below, like, tell me how's your investing strategy going. Let me know. Thank you.